We're going to start in 5 minutes at most. I'm finishing opening all the tabs because I don't want to make you wait. Okay. I think I almost have everything open. Okay. This. Hi there. Give me 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. Okay. Almost ready. I'm trying to remember where I saved one of the tools I want to show you. Here. Okay. Server. Oops. I closed the terminal where I was opening the code. Let me share the screen before. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Well, my name is Raúl Jiménez. I'm one of the guys or volunteers that is organizing the Startup Weekend this weekend. So first of all, I want to spend just a couple of minutes explaining you why you should come to the event. Of course, if you are in Madrid, you have no excuse. Let me share the screen because I have a presentation ready. Screen number 1. Okay. Sure. Okay. Really quick. Well, it is 7 or 8 reasons now why you shouldn't miss this event. Event is not free. Well, it is almost free because you have to pay a 60 euros ticket to come to the event. But it includes many things. I'm going to show you which things it includes. The event is not just an event. It's a 54-hour experience where you will meet many people. We will be around 100 restless minds working together, trying to build companies. So this is why every entrepreneur should know this event, and if it is possible, it should come. We are going to have fun. We are going to learn how to validate a business idea. We are going to meet many people, and we are going to learn some tools like the ones we are going to show you. Well, I'm going to show you today. Not just that, we will have a really good mentors during the event, during the on Saturday, on Sunday, and also on Friday afternoon. You will be working with your team, but these people coming from Nonabox, from Google, from Tutelas, from ASP Gems, sorry, from many companies. They are really good professionals. They will be helping you, showing how to build or how to test your business idea or the business idea you are working on. At the end of the weekend, we will have also some jury that is going to evaluate the projects, and we are going to give some prizes. As I said before, you will, with these 60 euros, you are going to have your meal and your breakfast, lunch, everything during the weekend. Be also working in a really nice place. It's on the Young Entrepreneurs Association. In this space is really cool. You will have everything paid, internet connection, pens, everything, all the materials you will need. You will have also a cool t-shirt that we are making right now. If it's not enough, you will also have some other things that we are offering, like a license of the creative team product that you will see in a few minutes. 10 euros ticket gift if you don't have an Halo account. If you win the contest, you will also have a prize. And as I said, I think it's not much because it's just €1 per hour, more or less. And events like this used to cost more than 200. So I encourage you to come because we are working hard to make it really. Well, we are trying. Our sponsors, Viva and Kairos, are also helping us to do this. We are not earning any kind of money. This is everything. We are doing it like volunteers. Well, so I just wanted to tell you why it's really important, or what is really important for you to know about this event. So that's it. I just wanted to tell you what is a startup weekend and why you should come. Now, time to see the tools. Okay, some tools that probably it will be helpful for you or to use, or at least you should know if you are building a product or you have something in mind. Okay. The first one is Slack. I'm going to be really quick because I don't want to waste your time or take too long. I just want you to I just want to show you which are those tools, what you can do with them in the event or own a startup or whatever. That's it. So Slack, I'm going to be changing the tabs. I opened it before, trying to quicker. So Slack is a communication tool. What does it mean? Is like WhatsApp or is a mailing list? No, Slack is something. It has a new concept. I have opened my Slack account. You can create like different channels. Well, you can have a team inside one group. Like in this case, I have a group of people working together. We have several channels in the same group, and we can link different channels. Sorry for using the same word. Like in this case, you can see that we have receiving information from RSS that I have linked to this account from a Twitter account, from YouTube. So anytime someone uploads a video to YouTube, we have a notification inside our Slack account, and we can separate the conversations using these channels, which anyone in the team can join. You can also share many other things like Drive documents or anything you want. You can see here, if you open this tab, you can add a service integration. You have many services integration. You can also integrate with IFTTT, if this then that. And see, all those tools like GitHub, Teambox, Dropbox, Trello, almost every tool that you should know or is here, and you can integrate it to make the communication faster. It also have a desktop application and a mobile application, so it's really useful and really nice to keep all the team together working with several tools in one place. If it's too complex for you, you also have Google Groups that you should know that it exists. It's a mailing list. It is just a mailing list, and it's for free also. Slack has it's a freemium service. You have to pay just if you want to have a, if I don't recall badly, you only have to pay if you want to have many, or because you have one function that is archive or archive the messages. So if you want to hide them, you have to pay. Or sorry, I cannot explain it better because I'm not really used with the model. I haven't paid it yet. The second tool you should know is Trello. Trello is I think many or most of you should know it, but Trello is this. It's a board. You can build many boards for different teams where you can have several lists of tasks. For example, in this case, I have one team that I have created with Willem. He is one of our organizers. And if I'm going to prepare the work or plan the work, I can assign the task. I can open the task, do a checklist here with several subtasks. We can be checking it. We can attach documents. We can have a conversation inside one task, ask questions or whatever. And we can change. It's really easy to work with this tool and to manage the work. And you also have a mobile application. You can also use Asana. It's quite similar. I really don't know very well the difference, but it's another alternative that I want to add here. Now, design tools. One of my favorite tools to build mockups really fast is Balsamiq Mockups. This is an Adobe Air application. So in this case, you have this interface where you can start building a mockup really quick. You can start changing here everything like the URL of the site. You can add a scroll bar. So you can wireframing really fast one page, and you can also build the interaction between the different screens. For example, here I have added a button, and here if I want to link this button with another thing or with another view, I can do it here in the properties. I don't recall exactly. I have to save the document, sorry. Well, just for you to know, you can build PDFs that are interactive. And well, that's it. I think it's simple. It's really useful when you have to write your idea down in a really fast way. It's even easier than drawing with a pencil if you don't know how to draw. If I don't recall badly either, it is also you need to pay for this application. But I don't remember. I think you have 1 month for free. I'm not sure. Just for you to know, there is another tool that is this one, Go Mockingbird, that it's quite similar. It's not a Flash or Adobe Air application. It's a website, and you can also build mockups in the same way. You can. It's a Chrome application also. See, it's quite similar. So another tool for designers or for people who want to try to show the idea to the rest of the team. Canva. Canva is another design tool that it's really nice and really easy to use. I have opened here my account, and it's useful to build any creative thing, like from social media images, to presentation, posters, whatever. You just click on here. I have clicked already. For example, on the social media, it create a template where you can start working on and changing things. So it's quite easy to use, and you can download the images, share them. So you can start working here. We will see another tool that it's more prepared to do presentations or to make presentations. But I don't know, I think it's nice to know both of them because this is also quite beautiful, I think. And it has many templates to start working on. Okay, another tool, well, Squarespace. This one, it's useful to build logos. It's really simple too, and you can use it for free also. I think if you want to have the high resolution logo, you have to pay. But if not, you can start working from here, and it will start. Well, it's simple to see how it's gonna look like on a card or whatever. InVision. What is InVision, or what we can do with InVision? InVision is a web tool also that it's prepared to help us building. Well, let me show. Sorry for my English. I know it's not the best. I'm trying to do my best, but see here. This is the InVision dashboard. Here you can upload as many designs as you have. Your designer or whatever can upload here the designs, and you can link them on this tool. Here is an example of a website that a designer have done before, and if you click after doing that, you can start taking, for example, this screen. And here, I want to, for example, I want to take this button. I want to add an action on it. Sorry. Well, it already has an action on it. You can see it here. Someone have already done that. It put a link when you click on the button, and it links to this other screen, that is the recent message sent. So if you click on here on browse, you can see which recent message sent. So if you click on this button, it's going to change the screen to the other one. Why or when or where can we use this application? Well, when we want to make another interactive design and show our team the idea, or we want to test how or the usability of one project or one design. GoAnimate. Another tool that it's really interesting to build videos or make videos really quick. This, I have it open here. This application is this one. It's also you have to pay to use it, but the first month it's free. You have a trial account. So at least for the weekend. I thought I had opened it already, but I didn't. For the weekend, you can use it, and if you like it, you can pay. It's not too expensive. I think it's like $50 per month. And on any case, you also have Powtoon that you can use it for free. It only adds a logo at the end of an animation at the end of the video. But I was testing GoAnimate the other day, and I really like it because it has more drawings on the library than Powtoon. And it also has like more, for me, it's better designs than the other one. Sorry, I'm going to leave this opening because I thought I opened it before, but I didn't. I'm going to show you another tool in the meantime. It's a Screenomatic. I don't know if you have used any screen recorder like Camtasia or ScreenFlow, or depending of your operative system. But this one, Screenomatic work on any device. You only have to install a Java plugin. And when you have it installed, you can start recording just pressing on this button. It will launch an application, desktop application with the plugin. And after you finish recording the video, you will have the chance to upload it to YouTube, to upload it to Screencast-O-Matic, or to save it on your local drive. So it's really easy to use. As you can see here, you can start recording the screen, just press on record. And when you finish, you please press stop and done. And you have already the video ready to go. Okay, I think it's also a useful tool that every entrepreneur should know. Delete the video. Next one. Prezi, I think also you know this tool, or maybe you would know it. Haiku is newer than Prezi, and Slides, it's also another recent app. But if you don't know this application, Prezi allows you to build presentation with a really dynamic way. And you can show or express concepts really easy. A really easy way. But one of my favorite things is to mix tools. For example, sometimes I have done this. I have recorded a video doing a screencast, and instead of build an animation using something like GoAnimate, that I don't know why it's taking so long to open, I'm just using a Prezi in the background to do my explanation. So it's a really easy way to build an animated video without knowing anything about animation. It's a draft, of course, but it's also nice. As I told you, Haiku is similar to Canva, the tool that we saw before. It has many templates, and you can start making your presentation. just using those templates and changing the text. They are really good looking. After Haiku Deck, I'm going to close this one too. Well, here, finally, it seems that it's opening well. Let's go to the next one. Well, Facebook ads, LinkedIn, Google, I think everyone should know these tools because they are really useful. And or my favorite one, because it's probably the cheapest one, is Facebook ads to test an idea, because you can reach many people just for, depending how you segment the public you want to show the announce or the advice, or sorry, I don't remember the word, or the ad, sorry. You can do it in a really cheap way, and you can, for example, show one ad to 2,000 people and check if it's appealing or not, your idea. So everyone should know how to use those apps. I want to explain you what is Creative Team, because I think this is one of the less known tools that I'm going to show. And we have a special license that we are going to offer to everyone that is coming to the Startup Weekend. As you can read here, it is a restyled Bootstrap. It's just a zip document where you will have, let me see if I have it open here. Let's see, downloads here. So as you can see here, many of us, we are bored of Bootstrap or the looking, how it looks, because many applications looks the same way with Bootstrap. So what did they do? Creative Team. They restyled this. You can check. I have opened it somewhere here. Here. So we have these elements. If you know how to work if you are a developer and you know how to build an interface with Bootstrap, it's going to be really easy to use. You have a different looking, okay? You have components, you can put them together and build a really quick interface using these components, okay? That's it. Creative Team is just this. Ionic Creator. I think this is one of the most interesting tools that I have known in the last week. This is the interface, and what you can do with this. Okay, you can build a mobile application just with this GUI, with this user interface. You can start adding elements to the interface. You can start adding new screens, login screen, a black one, and then you can link them together and launch or deploy them to an app. So here, well, sorry. Let me see here, for example, I can take this button. I can say, okay, I want this button. When the user clicks, I want to link it to the tabs page. Is this one, okay? So you can start testing the application here. And after you finish, sorry, that's where it works before. Here, okay. Let's see how easy it's to start building this. So this application or this interface is generating all the HTML that the application needs to work. And then we can deploy it to an application. They have on Ionic they have two ways to do that. The easy way, it's through the Ionic, through an Ionic app. I don't remember exactly publishing your app. So they have here two ways: build an APK or an IPA installer and publish it in the normal way. As you can see here, it's built on top of Cordova. So it's well, it's using Cordova to make it work, of course. That's it. I don't want to spend your time checking it in the last one before showing again it has another one. Well, GitHub. What is GitHub? I think every developer knows also GitHub, but in case you don't, you should know it because it's a control version system that allows the developer to code with other developers. You can create, it's for free, always that you are opening your code. If you are doing open source or free software, you can use it for free. It has many things that are really important to difference from other services, and at least from in my experience, is that you can have here one tab with the issues or the problems that you have found in the code. You can also write a wiki inside of the project. You can use the pull request system. That is really, really important in GitHub. But of course, I just wanted to show you the tool and make one point here on the github.io. That is the system that allows us to preview or deploy our application that doesn't need a backend. Just you can use it as a front end service. If you create a different branch, like in this case, on this project, I build a badge generator. So you can create a different branch and make it work. In this case, this is the project working inside of GitHub without needing a server or server side. I think it is really cool to have this tool for free that allows us to build a project and test it in a few minutes. Then if you are a developer, you should know also Heroku, that it's a platform as a service, which allows us to build also projects. This is the dashboard. We can, for example, build a PHP project without renting a server or creating our own server. Here on Heroku, it is not cheap, but if you don't have too much traffic and you want only test your application, or you don't want to spend, in case that you are going to take it seriously, you don't want to spend too much money hiring a system administrator or whatever, you can maybe think on this. This is similar to the IBM platform. I don't recall right now the name, sorry. Watson? No, Watson is a service. Bluemix, sorry. Heroku is quite similar to Bluemix, and somehow, I was going to say that it's similar to Google App Engine, but it is not, I think. Well, here you can build a PHP server, for example, and you can start installing plugins like a Postgre database, like many things, just using those buttons. You don't need to enter to a console and start setting all the things up. Okay, you can deploy applications from your terminal really quick too. So it's another useful tool. And here, finally, we have Go Animate. It finally load. So as you can see here, you can start building an animation just using this kind of templates. For example, we have here this office, and we want to remove this basket. Okay, so I can come here, remove it. I want to move these files. I can move it from here. I can enter motions. I'm going to show you, I'm going to try to make an example. I'm not an expert here, but on this tool, but location, no, people, here, on characters. You have many characters that you can use. And I really spent a really nice time the other day recording my voice. Here, I'm going to make an example and let's see if it works. So I added this guy here on the dialogue. Here you can make mic recording. Okay, hello. I don't know if you will hear what I'm going to say, but let's try. Hello, it's Raul working on my office with my, well, alone, really. So add the voice, and it automatically takes the length of the recording, and it makes the character move its mouth just the time I'm talking. It's really easy, fun. For me, it was the other day to start building a video with this tool, because I can start moving the character and recording the voice and all in the same tool. And then you can preview this and export it. At least, I don't know why it's taking so long. I don't know if it is because I'm, you can see it here, because I'm doing the screencast. Let me see. I'm going to remove the microphone. Here. Working on my office with my, well, alone, really. So, you have seen how easy it is to start building an animation with this tool. Well, that's it. That's all I want to show you. The business model canvas is a tool that we will learn to use during the weekend. That's it. If you have any question, I don't know. Well, I didn't say it before. But I said I wanted to be quick. Sorry if I didn't explain myself as good as I would like. But, well, I did my best. Hope to see you during the Startup Weekend. If you are interested on coming, do not hesitate on writing us. We will help you any way we can. So have a nice evening. Enjoy the match if you are going to see the football. And, well, see you soon.